Today is so hot and all I want is something so cold and refreshing. The weather is dry and I have to drink enough water to keep myself from getting dehydrated. I'm on my way to the studio now, but I have to check on Malam Mukta. He sells vegetables and fruit in my community. Ya kaswa kwanan biyu ba yabane ayabayo ya kare akwai spring onions. I'm here now. I just asked Malam Mukta if he has banana and it's a no banana day, all sold out. Did you hear me speak Hausa? Yes, I did. I speak a bit. I once lived in the northern part of Nigeria and also schooled there. I attended Ahmadu Bello University, Zaria. Although I still buy from supermarkets around, but that is when it is very urgent or the veggies I need are available here. Watermelon, white cabbage, the garlic kuma yenzuko, pineapple, cucumber. Irish pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, green pepper, celery, parsley, call me kind. broccoli, cauliflower, everything. No problem. Tomorrow I will see everything. No problem. I'll come tomorrow. My belief is that you should patronize your community and make people around you happy, especially when the price is right. All right. Bye-bye. Took a quick picture with Malam Mukta. Now you know where I get all my veggies from, right?
Malam Mukta, I'll be returning there to buy more things. He said he's going to the market. So let's hope he'll get more things. Bye. That's the journey of a market person going to buy stuff. You have to get the best. And Malam Mukta always tries best with his veggies.
I just got to the studio. It is so hot. And I can't wait to change and get my hands on the coldest relaxing drinks ever. When you are in your zone, ideas always flow. For me, my food studio is my idea place where ideas always flow. I have banana trees in my compound. Some days ago, I harvested some bananas. If you have a small space around you, you can plant some few vegetables. They are easy to maintain and they can come in handy for you, just like my bananas today. I just checked now and my bananas are ripe. Yes, I'm so happy I got my bananas. I'm making banana smoothie. Can you see how fresh my bananas are? And I'm dressed so colorful. So I have washed my bananas. I'll slice them and into my blender. Today I'm using just fresh bananas and evaporated milk for my smoothie. My bananas are so sweet, but if you want to recreate this recipe, you are free to create your own type of things that you want to put inside your smoothie, like honey, yogurt, oat, cocoa powder, nuts, different fruits. The list is endless. Now I'm pouring in the milk, evaporated milk or any type of milk of your choice, and blend, and it's ready. You can also freeze your bananas before blending or add ice as you blend. Choice is yours. I'm pouring my smoothie into the cup, garnishing with crushed granite, few slices of banana. I'm going out all fancy and I'm decorating with gold leaf. It's time to enjoy my cold, relaxing banana smoothie. For a hot day like today, this is the best. Please recreate and let me know how you enjoyed yours.